Hi guys, it's Anne here, and today's video is unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. Yay! Finally! I feel like I'm the last person on the interwebs receiving this and filming it and unboxing it. I actually have not watched anybody else's videos. I have not seen anybody else's pictures. The only two things I've seen, I saw a bit of a spoiler picture, and I'm pretty sure it said Kristen Dominique on it, and I do know they sell that at Beautylish. And then I did watch Samantha March's video today, her Project Pan video, and she mentioned that she got the Good Molecules cleansing balm. So that's all I know. I know nothing else about what could be in this. Although having said that, I've seen a lot of people's thumbnails and comments, and my expectations are pretty low. It seems like a lot of people are not very happy with what they got in their Lucky Bag this year. I don't know. I know the first year that I got it, I was so excited and I liked pretty much everything that I got. And then I remember going on Reddit and people hating on their bags and boxes, and they call it a bag, but I mean, it's a box. And so I don't know. I don't buy a whole lot of high-end makeup, so I think that's where some of the differences come. Because I think for me, Beautylish has a lot more, on average, has higher end or slightly more mid-range to more expensive products. So I think if you have a lot of those products already, you might be more disappointed. Whereas if you don't have a lot of those products, you might not be disappointed. It also depends on the product too, I guess. I know I've had a few duds. My boxes have not been all perfect. There's been a few dud products. I'm looking at you, Niacinamide cleanser. That was crap. Anyway, so the box retails for $75 US, which works out to about 100 and something Canadian. I think 103. I'll put the prices right here on what I paid for this box. So I did get a discount because I had a $20 gift card for Beautylish from a previous purchase. So I actually ended up spending around $100 Canadian for my box. Let's stop talking, let's start opening. So the one thing I always want to comment on, I always love how Beautylish does their packaging. Their paper is always so pretty, and this year, I like this year's paper. Last year's paper was pretty fun with the sumo wrestlers, but this year's paper is really pretty. Oh, I never know what to do with it. It's so pretty, but I don't know what to do with it. By the way, my box is very heavy too. I just got the ordinary box as well. Oh, okay. I'm already seeing one brand name, and it's a brand I have nothing of, so that makes me excited. Yeah, this is really heavy. It's coming in a two-parter here. Okay, let's open this part first. Oh, yay! Okay, I'm actually really happy about this because I've wanted to try this product, and I might have even talked about it in a previous video. So this is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So that's what the box looks like. And that's what the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle. It's fairly nice weighted. And it's 120 mils or 4 fluid ounces. So I really like niacinamide. I just repurchased the ordinary niacinamide plus zinc, I think it is, in the 60 mil, the double size bottle. But I had been looking at this online and I was like, maybe I should try this. But I talked about this before. The ordinary is actually, there's stores in Toronto, so it's pretty accessible, whereas I have to order this online. But yeah, I am super happy to have this because, like I said, I really like niacinamide. So it says that it's formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores, which that's a huge problem for me. So yay, 1 for 1. I think this is brushes. Oh, this is also really funny because I talked about this in a previous video as well. This is the unit travel set. Now these brushes are kind of cheap, so I can see if people received these, they might not be too happy. Both the two previous boxes I had, I got a Wayne Goss brush, and I use those brushes every single day. They're my favorite. But I did recently purchase a unit. It's actually one of these brushes. I think it's a Unit 201 brush. But yeah, I almost bought this, and then I realized that no, I just really need one brush, so I bought one brush. So for me, this is perfect, although I have so many brushes now because I feel like that's all I bought last year. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with these. I mean, they are a cheaper brand of a brush, but they seem pretty decent, and they're small. I like small brushes for travel, so that's really handy. So I'm happy with that. Oh, Miss Fame Beauty. Okay, this is under my skin. So I'm actually just watching, I'm finally getting around to watching RuPaul's Drag Race. Like, I watched the first season or first 2 seasons years ago when they first came out, and then kind of forgot about it. Now it's on Netflix. I've kind of been binge watching it, and I took a break because I was binge watching it, and now I'm actually on the season with Miss Fame and Trixie Mattel. So this is the Miss Fame Under My Skin palette. It's a really nice palette. I don't know anything about this palette. Sorry, my light is blinding and there's my computer. There are the shades right there. So pretty. I don't know if I want to like... Let's swatch a couple of colors. Orgasm, just because it's speaking to me. That's a bit of a chunky glitter color. Hopefully you can see those. I've turned my lighting down so you can see those. That was Orgasm. That was Mauve something. This actually looks a lot nicer built up. The first swatch, it was like a one swipe swatch, didn't really work, but a couple swipes. Those are the colors. Hopefully that looks a little bit better. I sort of turned my lights down a little, so hopefully you can see those. It's a very like nicely weighted palette. Yeah, this is not something I would have bought, so I'm excited for that because it's something completely different that I never would have bought, and like, yet still wearable. Okay, so this is interesting, and I definitely wouldn't have bought this, but I'm kind of excited because I definitely would like to try some of these. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5-year anniversary edition. Sorry, there's a lot of reflection going on, and Cat's freaking out because the light is reflecting off everything. I'm not going to swatch these right now, but yeah, these are interesting. I'm looking forward to using like the normal colors. I don't know about the white and the green. It might be fun for playing with, maybe like a creative look around Halloween or something. But yeah, I've never tried anything from Jeffree Star. So, and I have mixed feelings about who he is as a person. But from a cosmetics brand, I think he has some really nice products that I've always been intrigued by, but I just have never bought. In here is the Juno & Co. sponge. It's just a little sponge. I can definitely use sponges. I can always use sponges. I'm a little coarse because I never clean my sponges. Doesn't feel very nice. Dry. Feels kind of weird, but we'll see. Yeah, it doesn't feel very nice dry. And then there's one more thing in here. I'm real excited about this one. I haven't looked at the color yet, but I'm excited. This is the Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick. Yay! It's in the color Secretly. Please be not bright orange. I'm pretty much good with any color but bright orange. I have wanted this. I love Hourglass. Oh, it's red. Oh, that's a really pretty color. Really, really pretty color. So that's it right there. It's a really, really nice, like, true red. Again, just turn my lights down there so you could see it in a little less super bright lighting. I don't want to swatch it, but I want to swatch it. So let's swatch it, because learning my lesson from Kat. Use your lipsticks. Yeah, this is my kind of red. It's like a blue toned red. Hopefully you can see it there. It's looking a little bit more orange, but it's like a true red. Okay, this one was worth it for me, for sure. Okay, and then there's one more thing in here that's like in a separate box. It's like Christmas all over again. I'm wondering if I got the wrong box. Because I swear this is like more than I've got in previous years. Am I crazy? Somebody please tell me. Oh, this is so cute. I actually saw this on their site and thought it was so cute. It's the Sugarpill Little Twin Stars set. It's so cute. This is like so cute that I kind of want to gift it to somebody, but at the same time I really want it myself. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. I love how it's packaged. Look how it's packaged. There's an eyeshadow palette. So those are the colors in the eyeshadow palette. Again, sorry it's super bright. It comes with a little makeup bag. It's a cute little makeup bag. It looks like a little pencil case. But I like that it's, I love makeup bags that are like see-through. Like this is like I can see through it, so I'll know what's in here. Now the lip things, I'm not so sure about, because one, we got another one that's like non-wearable. I don't know, maybe I'll play with it, who knows. Inspiration to do something more creative. This is Kiki and Lala. They're so cute. Liquid Lip Color Duo. So they're creamy matte lip shades. So that's kind of a little for me, as somebody that doesn't wear a lot of matte liquid lipsticks, to have like a full set of Jeffree Star and then 2 more of these, maybe not the best for me. This is a nice little palette. There's like a couple neutral shades here, and then like a couple of colorful shades. Oh, that shade's not very good. So hopefully you can see those. The shadows in this palette are a little softer, like not as intense colors. Again, these are the shadows close up with the lights a bit lower. They're really big. Hand sizes on these are huge. I think it's super cute. Again, not something I would have bought myself. I love super cute things, and I have to like force myself to not buy super cute things, particularly like super cute clothes. Like I love like Hello Kitty stuff, but because I'm 4'11", I really don't need to add fuel to the you look like a child thing, so I don't buy cute things. But having cute makeup is totally like acceptable because most of the time people don't see my makeup anyway. So yeah, I'm happy with this overall. The Niacinamide is great for me. Really keen to start playing with the Miss Fame palette. This one actually looks like a really decent palette too for like a day-to-day look. I'm so happy for this. And now I can just buy the refills. I don't have to buy the lipstick, and the refills are cheaper, I think. I would say probably the thing I'm least excited about is this. Doesn't feel like a very good sponge. I feel like I saw somebody talk about the sponge and not like it. I could be wrong about that. And the brushes I'm happy with. Like I said, I was gonna buy these because they're affordable and they're a nice little travel set, so that works out for me. And yeah, I'm really intrigued to try these because I've heard like it's a good formula, so I do really want to try them. So that's it. That is my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I'm overall pleased with it. Whenever it's like a mystery box, I mean, part of the whole thing, it's a gamble. So unless, I think the only time I would be fully disappointed is if the value of the box was like equal to or below what I paid for. Like as long as the value is above what I paid for. And I would say part 2 is it's not a bunch of dud products. Like, you know, when a brand is like just trying to like get rid of old stock and they're giving you like all the lip colors are like this, like green and blue, and like there's not a single usable color in it. That's when I would get annoyed because it's like, come on, it's obvious that you're just trying to get rid of old stock. Anyway, hopefully this was okay. I feel like I'm a little like, I just got home from work and I'm, you know, trying to get this done, and I'm gonna try and get this up tonight. Like I said, just doing laps. And yeah, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.